Hi guys, today we'll show you how to access the fuse box in the engine compartment of Volvo XC40, and we will also show you how to replace fuses. This is the fuse box right here. To remove the cover, first you need to remove this right side. Comes off like this, and only then you'll be able to remove this big plastic cover. Press the tab and cover comes off, and underneath you will see the fuses. To replace the fuse, first we have to remove this red plastic pliers. And this will allow us to remove fuses. You can simply pull them out like this, and this is the type of the fuse that Volvo XC40 uses. Simply install the new one, and now you can reinstall the cover.